coming.
Timothy?
Yeah?
I don't know what to do.
After we find out how many cars and the speed, I'll turn it down a little bit here so it's not too loud.
Don't.
You just have to kind of do both.
I was yelling because I didn't want you to know another one was coming.
Well, it's okay.
I hate it. Look.
Well, I can't do this and
Well,
count too.
So pay attention.
well, it goes off at the wrong time when this train goes through because then you can't count.
No.
Just pay attention to this train, guys.
Well, I probably messed up already.
Yeah, this is why I kind of hate when the detector goes off at this time because then Grandma miscounts sometimes.
Detector, milepost 104.5, no defect. Total axle 276, train speed 42 mph, temperature 39 degrees. Detector out.
276. Divide
She's
by
doing
4.
40 miles an hour, so.
Timothy?
Yeah?
I'm excited to review the footage of this tanker train in slow-mo.
About 69 cars. The next one.
Timothy?
Yeah.
I
But
really...
there's not much to see, so.
The reason why I'm always excited to review trains in slow-mo is because of seeing the train engines better and seeing the guy wave in slow-mo.
Well, that's true. The engines are always good in slow-mo.
Yeah, they are.
Well, I almost thought that said FPS there for a second, but I didn't
What
see
does
the right.
FPS mean?
FPS, you know what that means.
Frames per second.
Yeah.
Like 120 FPS. That's why we record with the Osmo, it gets slow-mo. Wow, this tanker train.
Plan on the sighting. Train ahead going down the main. I got you lined up.
I knew there was going to be a DPU.
How did you know? I didn't know.
Well, I had a hunch because it was so long.
78. Or wait, that's the drainage.
Top speed of 24 miles an hour.
121 cars and 3 engines.